Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download a photo from Facebook to your phone gallery, in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile. After coming to the profile, open the image that you want to download. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Save to Phone. This photo has now been saved to your phone's gallery. Now, I'll show you how to download a random post. I'll download this post, which is of Cristiano Ronaldo. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Save to Phone. Now, I'll download one more image. We'll repeat the same process again. Now let me check by opening the gallery whether the photos have been downloaded or not, as you can see here. And that's it. How to download a photo from Facebook to your phone gallery. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.